Aries, this is your channel messages for the 13th, no, I'm sorry, my apologies, for the 12th of June. We're starting off the reading today, Aries, talking about, is it Kabilam? Okay, everybody know that guy on TikTok who him don't speak and he made like a lot of money. He was a top TikTok earner, right? He ranked in about 10 million a year starting off in 2022. So you have to understand how rich this guy is from TikTok, from making videos he never spoke on. His 2022 allegedly earning was 10 million, and that's in 2022. He charges 750,000 per promotional posts. So this guy is making big money. Now, of course, everybody's like, what the fuck? This is Trump's fault. Apparently, Kabilam, if that's the name, the world's most popular TikTok personality with millions of followers, has left the US after being detained by immigration agents in Las Vegas for allegedly overstaying his visa. So before I come for ICE, even though I don't know how ICE come for him, because him couldn't hide. So your net worth is at least 10 million. You couldn't hide. So he went to the US and him overstaying visa. That's why he was self-deported. Them never could kick off him door and come in a hotel room. He overstayed his visa. This is the issue. Yeah, you can't overstay. What's your end? Why never have a B? Even if you had a B2 visa, which is for work and leisure in the United States, you could have left and came back. You're famous. Celebrities take round trips all the time, but that's what happened. That is why everybody love America. America, the place where the top TikTok earner can be there, and because him never want to leave, him overstaying visa. Did he have no good representative around him? Was he the only person who boarded the plane? Nobody never tell him to go home. Just one day. You know much people tell lie on me, say how I'm a refugee here, my runway left. You know much people tell lie on me, say me is a refugee here, I'm a run off and left my visa. They're mixing me up with my mother. Anyways. So what I was trying to say is that's the reason why ICE came for him. So he is not innocent in this situation. I'm very sorry immigration had to load up your shit being a 10 millionaire. But at the same time, you can't do that in no country. No country. And you're going to fuck up your fucking visa status. Because now you overstay, they will ban you for 5 years. And usually if you're an immigrant, visas allotted you 6 months at a time. Girl, remember the first time I go to United States of America, girl. First time I fucking go, my Ross Claude father tell me I'm for overstay my visa. Me say, let me tell you something. It's a reason why my mother and you have problem. That's what I've told him and I left and he was so upset. Like him, you want to fuck up my chances with America. Me get the fucking visa without him help. And as soon as we get the visa, him I tell me, say, me have to come to America to him. And I say, why me need to come to you? You! So would you boy it? Then when me did that, him tell me say I have to stay 5 months for my visa. Me say, you know say me and your baby mother talk. And she tell me say your blood clot mad. Him tell me to stay 5 months. Me say me not stay no blood clot 5 months. No, me go back in a 3. Anytime you visit the United States, immigration stamp you. Even if you have a 10-year, a lot of people think when you have a 10-year visa, it means they can stay 2 years and come back 3 years. No. A 10-year visa, which is a multiple entry, it means you have 10 years to not go back to the embassy. When you cross immigration border, because I always watch Canadian Border Patrol or I always watch the border services, you only allotted 6 months. Some of them, if them sketchy about you, but them let you through, them will stamp you 1 week, 7 days. They must stamp you 3 months. When me go to America for the first time, them stamp me 6 months. Yeah. Yeah, but it's... I went to America for the first time, bitch. Them stamp you 6 months, right? Let me show you. October. Okay. Them stamp you This is 2016, not October. Them stamp here 2016. This is the time when my did, because if you look on the dates, come to be my ex-husband in September of 2016. If you're wondering why I took a fucking flight in October, 1 month after I meet my ex-husband, it's because him did call me a slut. So I said to him, you think I'm a slut? No, watch me, bitch. So I'm gonna get one Turkish man for fly me out, and the Turkish man, he take a picture of me in front of the White House. No, when me did get married, no, my ex go see the photo and him think me did fuck on him. Me never fuck on you, because at the time, you call me a slut. So since he didn't want to refer to me as a slut, me get one Turkish man for buy me a plane ticket to Washington, D.C. so me can fuck him in a one hotel and be a slut. I never told my ex though. Anyways, him no. Anyways. So you see when them stamp you see October 2016. Alright. Them you have to return by April 2017. October, November, December, January, February, March, April. Ooh, me get 7 months. Okay, United States, okay. Right? Okay, great. So I saw it go. Admitted. So me don't know them stamp him. Them stamp Kabi Lam, them stamp him and him overstaying visa. I don't know who is a part-time fucking team. $10 million and you overstay your visa? So you could have come to Canada, come stay a little bit and go back to US. Them will let you in. So it's very unfortunate that a nigga like us had to be deported that way. The last time they hold on to a nigga was Nicki Minaj in Netherlands. And we were fearing for our fucking lives if the Barbs would ever recover from it. Anyways, people, please be aware. When you get blood clot visa, especially from the United States of America, when you get the visa from the United States of America, this is not a visa. This is a barcode. Just to show the fucking government of Canada, you keep asking me what the fuck my name is. This is my fucking name. Anyways, it's very unfortunate. But people, if you get visa from the US, you cannot stay all 6 months either. When I go US and go US, go get 6 months in and I stay the whole 6 months. That's not how visa work. You don't live in the country. You know, working in the country. How you have 6 months worth of money to spend there? You go 1 month, you come back. If you want max it out with 3-4 months. But when you go back to the US, immigration is going to ask you why you stay 3-4 months. Any fucking ways, when I got the stamp, I did stay 3 days. I don't know how them stamped me 6 months. I wasn't planning to be there for 6 months. Them stamped me 6 months when I go. I only spent 3 days. Because I was there to prove a point while taking a picture in front of the White House, Washington, D.C. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Your channel cards were the 10 of Pentacles, Capricorn, and the Star card. So I'm getting money, family money. I'm getting something about this wealthy family who like you. I'm getting this type of man and woman, they're swingers. So they don't really care if you sell pussy or if you're the OnlyFans. I'm getting this is the type of couple, them will get a babysitter. And when the kids are asleep, both of them will seduce the babysitter to have a threesome. This is the type of couple we're dealing with. Cool? All the young, immature one, them who don't have a life, will be very funny about sex. You see the older couples who have house, car, and businesses are married. Can you have some old couple who not fuck on each other, but they will fuck somebody else together? The swingers. You know them couple there? Them will never ever go one place without the other. And them older, them up in them 50s, 60s, 70s. Me getting something about a couple like that. Me don't know if them just have a newborn baby. Because the Star card is almost half naked. So me getting one Capricorn want your work fee. Me getting Capricorn the Capricorn don't care where you do, where you did go, who you fuck. Right? The Capricorn knows you're not a pappy show. So the person me getting Capricorn want your work for them. The Star card, I'm getting the way how you dress is not an issue. Okay? You're gonna find somebody who appreciates you for you. And not for what they want you to be. Because while he was calling me a fucking slut, he was fucking down half of fucking Quebec and Dominican Republic. At least I got to touch the White House. Let's go ahead and go to your reading. But me never go with the Turkish guy when me did there with him. Me and him did officially say we're going there on the 29th of October. If you look on my stamp, it was the 15th of October. It never make it right still, but that's why you shouldn't go around calling girls prostitutes or sluts, because what you don't want, another man wants. You should fucking know that. Let's go ahead. As a matter of fact, we were supposed to go US, you know. I never Canada was supposed to come. US was supposed to there. Anyways, I saw the weird ass shit was happening in US, and to be very honest with you, even though I don't really like the service I'm having here in Canada, my whole family, they are US. So I'm kind of glad I'm not there, because I would not want to be dealing with them. I'll be very honest. I like the peace and quiet alone over here. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Aries. We have the moon card coming out first. We have the Ace of Pentacles. We have the Three of Swords. We have the Six of Swords. And we also have the 10 of Swords. So I'm getting betrayal, Aries. Okay, the moon can be a woman. What the fuck was that? I'm sorry. The moon can be a woman. It can also be an egg. The Ace of Pentacles can also be... I'm getting day and night. Both aces. Not aces. I'm getting something about a sun or sperm. Then I'm getting the moon. Is this something about a baby that's in the United States of America? Something like that. Or something about... I don't know if you're the type of person to leave your country to go to the United States to have a baby, so the baby can claim citizenship. Maybe something like that, and then you took the baby back. But I'm getting something about an opportunity somebody wanted to give you. But I'm getting Three of Swords. Them found out some information, so they were like, oh, this fuck. No, I'm getting somebody felt really... I don't know if somebody wait too long for do something. I'm getting something about a Pisces or your mother. I'm getting something about, I don't know if you need help. I'm getting somebody help you, but don't mean to be a bitch. I'm getting somebody help you, but the money what them give you was too little, so you give them back. Because if you ask somebody for help and them give you little to nothing, chances are them don't have a lot to help you with. Maybe them need it more than you. So I'm getting you give them back. Somebody never like it. Somebody feel fucked up. But I feel like when they might help you, they must helping you out of spite. They might help you for laugh at you. But me getting you never find it funny. So whatever them gave you, you give them the fuck back. And me getting somebody pissed about it. I'm also getting something about you were paid to be at this event. You were paid to be somewhere. I'm getting you never did show up. You never get the contract. Me getting something about your location. Me getting your location is making it hard for people to contact you. Your location is making it hard. Me getting something about your location. Now with the moon card and the Ace of Pentacles, that can be a signature. Because me getting, there may be people who want to work with you, but me getting everything you have your name in, it is tampered with. Like you're a target. Because me getting like somebody saying me they want you to come to the US for a couple of months. But me getting you never get the message, you never get the intel, you never get nothing. Somebody might be emailing you, they might try to call you, me getting it blocked. So that definitely does seem like you're being controlled. And to stay one place. And I know Canada said they don't want to sell out, you know what I'm saying? No, Canada is not for sale. Canada is not for sale. You sure it was Canadian? You say Canada is not for sale. Are you sure the item was made in Canada? You say Canada is not for sale. Yes, but you did not buy it from the natives. Let's continue the fucking reading. We also have the Judgment. We have the Emperor. Hi, that's you. Hi, Emperor. How are you? I hope you're okay. That's great. Ooh, okay, the Emperor. The Emperor is clarifying the Ace of Pentacles. So I'm getting this man did want give you something, but you're dirty, big pussy blood clot mother, fuck up everything. Could have been a dirty cock father too. We don't fucking know which one. I just want you to know that I hate both of my parents equally. I just want you to know that. I am never the person to choose side. I just want you to know I have no respect for both of them equally. I just want you to know that. So even if one is posting me more than the other, you should know that's because one of them is famous and them have to make the public believe that they're such a nice person to them kids. Meanwhile, they're a terrible person to their baby mom. And I don't know which journey they are in their lives right now, but this is the consequences of your fucking actions, you know? This is what I like to think. Here comes the consequences of your actions. This is what the fuck I like to think of myself as. Yeah, so any dirty thing you did in your past, well, your kids usually come out to remind you of it. So I just want you guys to know that I have no preference in anything. I don't prefer anyone. I hate them both equally. You should know this. Let's continue the reading. 3 of Swords clarified by the Knight of Cups. We have the 4 of Wands clarifying the 6 of Swords, and we have the 2 of Pentacles clarifying the 10 of Swords. Yeah, me getting you were supposed to do something, but there's a Pisces who fucked it up. Me getting there was an Emperor here. Me getting the person who want to give you something, give you a job opportunity. Then me want you visit, be somewhere. But me getting the Pisces was very, very jealous, so they blocked it. All right. The 3 of Swords is clarified by the Knight of Cups. Yeah, me getting this woman that you liked. Me getting you never said nothing wrong with the woman until you start talk to the family. And I don't know why would you go behind a woman's back and speak to their family. Because you're trying to make this documentary about you asking the father for the hand in marriage. Okay, you don't know the girl history with her father. That's why some of them girls they were arranged for getting married, them so resentful and them so combative. Because the father usually molests them and then they want to sell them off to a man. And the girl is like, me keep the family secret of you fucking me. And telling mom, and mom didn't listen to the dad fucking the daughter. And then now when the daughter reach of age, after being fucked by the father, him want to sell her off to a man. That's why some of them girls don't want to do it. Anyways, we have the 4 of Wands clarifying the 6 of Swords. I'm getting some more relocation. Are you planning to move? I'm getting you're saying that somebody lives too far. Me getting because of the distance, you only can do something either 2 times a year, 2 times a month, or 2 times a week. I'm getting 2 is not working out. Me getting I get pressured. Me getting 2 now work out. Maybe you need somebody, maybe you need help as you help them help you. Maybe you need somebody for work with you. Maybe the 4 of Wands here, like you visit somebody, somebody visit you, you visit somebody, somebody visit you. Because he's on a horse. So I'm getting whenever you see this girl, you're coming to her. She's not coming to you. But there's a 3 of Swords here. Because she's giving you a cup, but you can't drink the cup. You're on the horse. You have to ride back home. Maybe that's why sleepover was so important. Believe, sweetie, if you're not sleeping at his house, he is not for you. And if other bitch is sleeping at his house and you did not, he is not for you. The Ace of Pentacles, we're getting him want to offer you something, but there's a Pisces who fucked it up. But also getting some more distance. You live too far, somebody might relocate closer to you. I don't know if they're going to ask you to relocate closer to them. But we're getting something that happens twice. 2 times a week, 2 times a month, 2 times a year. I'm getting it cannot happen that. I'm getting the 2, it's not going to work that way. It's have to be more. Or I'm getting you saying I only can see you 2 times a month, 2 times a week. But I'm getting you insecure because you don't know what she do for the other 4 days, 5 days. Your schedule allows you to only see her twice a week. But I'm getting when you're not seeing her, you're accusing her of seeing somebody else. And I'm getting you're getting that idea because you're taught to this Pisces. And I don't know what the fuck the Pisces is telling you. Let's go ahead and go into reading. I mean your channel cards. We have political agenda. I was at the fucking White House. I'll tell you that. We have human and sex trafficking. We have Cancer. We have Gemini. We have Capricorn. Capricorn, I think that was a channel message. And we have Shark. Yeah, me getting somebody does not care how you look. Them will get a job anyways. But me getting one Pisces, man. Pisces is really, really... I don't know, one Pisces hates you. You should know this. It could be your mother. She don't like you. She hates you a lot. Like hate you to the point where she would see it. If you could commit suicide, she'd be okay with that. Your mom hates you. She do not like you. You should know that. And me getting she fuck up the whole of your love life. Especially when you introduce her to your boyfriends. No, I don't know if your boyfriend go behind your back, go talk to you. Maybe you don't talk about your family. And your stupid ass man is like, why don't you talk about your family? I need to know more about her family. So you go behind the girl but go talk to her family. It was a reason why she never talked. And then after you talk to the family and the shit what the family tell you stop talking to the girl. Yeah, it was a reason why. And you might feel like, oh my God, she wasn't telling me all of this and her family did. Sweetie, the family don't give a fuck about you. They don't give a fuck about hurting them kind. That's the only benefit I like about being in Canada. I have no sisters, no brothers, nothing. What was that? Okay. I have nobody. I have no family here, which is very, very good. It does make a target, but it's okay. I can manage. I have nobody, no sister, no blood clot father, no mother in Canada, and I like it that way. I like it. For too long, I've been oppressed in Jamaica. I need to branch out and see what the fuck is out there for me. Even though Kabila did want to overstay in the US, which is US is a place everybody always wanted to go. At the same time, Brahim should have a team around him. I don't know who the fuck. I don't know what the fuck. I don't know. You got $10 million. Why you didn't need to leave the country? You know those rich people who are always crying about stupid shit? But them rich, them have money. It's like, what the fuck you cry about? You have money. What the fuck you cry about? You know, you have people who cry because they can't afford food. You have people who cry because they can't afford tuition. You have people cry because they can't afford rent. You have money and you still have blood clot cry. For what? What the fuck you sad about? You have money. What you sad about? I'm sad about this. Shut the fuck up. Perhaps you need a reason to be sad. You need all that money to be taken away from you and you have no house, no car, and no friends around you. And then you can't have a reason to be sad. You have money and you're sad. You have money and you're fucking depressed. You just want to be seen, don't you? I never understood people who had money and they were sad and depressed. You have money. What the fuck you cry about? Anyways, I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.